Jumping right in, AT&T Internet Air is an innovative home internet service that leverages AT&T's 5G cellular network to deliver fast, reliable broadband without the need for traditional wired connections like DSL, cable, or fiber. It's designed to be a convenient alternative, especially for areas where laying cables is expensive or impractical. The service uses a compact 5G gateway device that plugs directly into your home and communicates wirelessly with nearby 5G towers. This means setup is straightforward, no technician visits or wiring hassle. Once activated, the gateway provides Wi-Fi connectivity for all your devices, making it a true plug-and-play solution. One of the main benefits of AT&T Internet Air is its speed and latency. Thanks to 5G's high bandwidth and low latency, users can expect broadband speeds comparable to wired fiber in many areas, enabling smooth video streaming, gaming, and remote work. Since it's a cellular-based service, coverage depends on AT&T's 5G network reach, so urban and suburban users tend to see the best performance. The service comes with unlimited data, removing worries about overage charges common in some cellular plans. It's a compelling option for people who want flexible, high-speed internet without contracts or long-term commitments, as AT&T Internet Air typically offers month-to-month plans. On the downside, coverage can be spotty in rural or densely obstructed areas where 5G signals struggle to penetrate. Weather and physical obstructions like walls may also affect signal strength, so placement of the gateway is important for optimal performance. Pricing is competitive with other broadband options, and AT&T often bundles Internet Air with its wireless mobile plans for discounts. This makes it appealing for existing AT&T wireless customers looking to consolidate services. In summary, AT&T Internet Air is a forward-thinking 5G home internet service ideal for users seeking easy setup, no wires, and solid speeds, especially in areas with robust 5G coverage. It bridges the gap between traditional wired internet and mobile broadband, offering a flexible and modern solution for today's connected homes.